The Mitsubishi Lancer is a compact car produced by the Japanese automaker Mitsubishi since 1973. The Lancer has a long and varied history, with numerous generations and body styles. The first-generation Lancer was introduced in 1973 as a replacement for the Mitsubishi Colt. It was a compact sedan with a rear-wheel drive layout and a range of inline-four engines. The Lancer was known for its reliability, fuel efficiency, and affordability, making it a popular choice for families and commuters. In the 1980s, Mitsubishi introduced the second-generation Lancer, which featured a more modern and aerodynamic design. This generation also saw the introduction of a turbocharged engine and a four-wheel drive system, which improved the Lancer's performance and traction. The 1990s saw the introduction of the third-generation Lancer, which featured a more angular and aggressive design. This generation also saw the introduction of a range of new engines, including a 1.8-liter inline-four and a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-four. In the early 2000s, Mitsubishi introduced the Lancer Evolution, a high-performance version of the Lancer that featured a turbocharged engine, all-wheel drive, and a range of suspension and aerodynamic upgrades. The Lancer Evolution quickly gained a reputation as a formidable competitor in the world of rally racing and street performance. In 2007, Mitsubishi introduced the 10th-generation Lancer, which featured a more modern and sleek design. This generation also saw the introduction of a range of new engines, including a 2.0-liter inline-four and a 2.4-liter inline-four. Throughout its history, the Mitsubishi Lancer has been known for its reliability, fuel efficiency, and affordability. It has also gained a reputation as a formidable competitor in the world of rally racing and street performance, thanks to the success of the Lancer Evolution. Today, the Mitsubishi Lancer remains a popular choice for families and commuters around the world. Its combination of reliability, fuel efficiency, and affordability make it an attractive option for those looking for a practical and affordable vehicle.